Hello everybody! This is my first car wash video on my S22 Ultra, and I'm going to be retaking all the car washes here in Arizona in general with this phone. Y'all remember this car wash? This used to be the Texaco gas station way back in the day. It still has the original Ryko, but I think that this is at risk of actually being replaced because it always breaks down every week. I really hope it doesn't get replaced, but it's at risk of it happening because it keeps breaking down non-stop. See, look at that old car wash logo there from when this was Texaco. You get my code. Code is 85725. I got the Works car wash. Huh. Okay, the money machine's broken. I might have to go down and it wouldn't work. Okay, please re-enter code. 8. Okay, I think I'm gonna have to mess with this a little bit because it is not working. Okay, I want to cancel that. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and stop the video here so I can figure it out. I mean, I'll come back to it, but you all know this car wash, this vintage Ryko here, Texaco style. I'm gonna stop it for now. All right, it is fixed now. So the attendant was really nice who helped me. He did say it might stop on me, but we'll see what happens. It was something wrong with the screen on the money machine is what it was. Yeah, like I said, this is probably at a really high risk of being replaced. Which I really hope that they can make a permanent fix for it, but it wasn't well maintained in the past, so that's why it's in this condition. thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed. There it is. And that is it.